I built this app in under 10 minutes, and I didn't write a single line of code myself. If you think building Android apps is only for tech geniuses, you're wrong. Today, we're using Google AI Studio to do that. Create Android app with AI is easier than ever, because AI understands the structure, while you just provide the idea. Go to Google AI Studio, sign in with your Google account. On the left sidebar, click Build. Then click Build an Android app under the prompt box. That's the entire setup. No SDK, no Android Studio, nothing to install. Everything runs in the cloud. Now, the prompt, we're building a daily expense tracker. Here's exactly what I'm typing. I'll put this in the description so you can just copy it. Build a daily expense tracker, Android app. Home screen shows today's total and a monthly budget progress bar. Orange at 70%, red at 90%. A floating button opens a form to add an expense with a title, amount and category: food, transport, shopping, entertainment, health, other. List expenses grouped by date. Add a monthly summary screen with a spending pie chart by category. Dark navy background, teal accents. Hit that build button and let's see what happens. It starts generating the Kotlin code, setting up the Jetpack Compose layouts, wiring everything together, so it's take a few minutes to fully create it. Watch the right side. That's a live Android emulator running in your browser. No installation. It's streaming straight from Google's servers. And there's the app. Let me actually use it. I'll tap the plus. The form opens. I'll add lunch, $12. Food category save. If I want to change something, say I want the text bigger or a different layout, I just type it in the chat panel on the left and it updates live. If you want to use the app on your Android phone, just click Install button on the top right and follow the instructions. Enable developer mode. Go to Settings, select About Phone, then Software Information. Tap Build number 7 times. Yes, 7 times. Enable USB debugging. Go back to Settings, open Developer Options, and turn on USB debugging. Connect your phone to your computer with a USB cable. Tap Allow when your phone asks about USB debugging. Back in AI Studio, click Install. It uses ADB built right into the browser to push the app directly to your phone. And there it is, on the phone. Feels completely native, smooth, offline, no browser needed. A real Android app. Okay, so let me actually test this real quick. I'll throw in lunch, $12, food. Now I'm gonna fully close the app, swipe it away, and reopen it. Yeah, it's still there. Saved it locally. I switched to light mode just to see. Yeah, it works successfully as expected. I'm gonna delete the lunch and just start fresh. Bus ride, $3, transport. And then dinner, $50, food. So now I've got $53 total. And look at that bar, it updated right away. That's it. If you built something cool using this, I genuinely want to see it. Drop it in the comments. And if this video helped you out, a like goes a long way. And don't forget to subscribe, it really does help the channel.